In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to execute trades on TradingView using the order entry plus price ladder method. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, understanding how to place trades efficiently is crucial to your trading success. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head to your TradingView chart. Now, once you're there, locate and click on the trading panel. The trading panel is where the magic begins. It's at the bottom of the screen. By clicking here, you'll open up a world of trading possibilities, giving you access to the right tools for executing trades effectively. Next, you'll need to select paper trading. If you're unfamiliar with paper trading, it's essentially a simulated trading environment that allows you to practice trading without using real money. This is a fantastic way to learn and gain confidence, especially if you're trying out a new strategy or are new to trading. Click Paper Trading once more to confirm your selection. At this point, you're setting up your trade execution to a mode that's perfect for practice. Now you need to click Connect. This step establishes the connection between your chart and the paper trading account. Once connected, you're primed and ready to move forward, and the interface should confirm that you're ready to start placing trades. Following this, locate the Trade button. It's usually near the top of your trading panel. Clicking this brings up your trading interface where you can start placing orders. This interface is crucial as it contains all the tools and options necessary for placing and managing your trades. Then, hover over the price ladder or the area where prices are displayed and select a target price. In this video, we'll use the example price of $3,671.62. Clicking here essentially sets your target entry point for the trade. It's a key step in deciding when and why to enter a market position. After selecting your entry point, click on the highlighted area in the price ladder. This usually highlights a particular order size or type, providing a clear visual confirmation of your intended action. Now, repeat the highlighting process once more. This step ensures you've selected the correct options before executing the trade. By clicking on the highlighted area again, you double-check your choices, reducing the risk of mistakes. Finally, you'll want to click Sell. This action will place a sell order at your predetermined price. Once clicked, your order will be queued or executed depending on market conditions and your selected options. And there you have it. You've successfully executed a trade on TradingView using the order entry and price ladder method. Practicing these steps in paper trading mode will build your skills and prepare you for real market conditions. Remember, consistent practice is key to mastering trading. Thanks for watching and happy trading.